everyone, my name is Prashika Ghale. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a cabin crew interview makeup look. And just a friendly suggestion guys, you do not have to purchase a fancy makeup products for an interview. If you have a basic makeup products, you are good to go. Because later, once you are selected, you have to purchase a makeup product as per the company's recommendation. So I would like to suggest save it for later. Talking about hairstyles, I had a very short hair during my flying days. Also when I went for my interview, so it was very easy for me. I just had to wash, straight, leave, that's it. But right now the scene is different. I have a long hair and the company won't allow me to leave it like this. So I have to either make a bun or cut it short. But for an interview, you guys can make a high ponytail or a bun. And the ladies with the short hair, it's super easy guys. Just wash it, keep it clean, leave, that's it. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, I've already applied sunscreen before 15 minutes. So I'm going to moisturize my skin first. Here I'm taking two moisturizer from Mamaearth and Plum. Now I'm taking Plum moisturizer.
I'm using this under eye cream from Himalaya.
I'm using this Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation and I'm in shade 128 Warm Nude. So I'm going to take a little bit of it. And with the help of the damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend the foundation. It is good to start with less product. Later, if you're not happy with the result, you can always build up. So I want to highlight my under eye area. For that, I'll be using two concealer. One is from Maybelline. I'm in a shade 25 medium and another one is Insight, and the shade that I'm using is 03 Golden Sand. So this shade is similar to my skin tone. This one is a bit lighter than this, so I mix the product and apply. So a little bit of it, a little bit of this. Now I'll take my damp beauty blender and start blending. Baking doesn't work for me, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of powder and set my under eye area. Just a little bit. That's it. I'm taking the nude Maybelline eyeshadow palette, and this eyeshadow palette was recommended by my first airline. So today I'll be using the same eyeshadow palette, and as you guys can see that it has such a beautiful neutral shades. So I'm taking the fluffy brush, and from this palette I'll take this shade and start applying. Now I'm taking this shade Now I'm going to use this shade for my inner corner. Now I'm taking the same shade, and with the help of the small brush, I'm going to apply it in my lower lash line. A little bit. That's it. I'm taking this Maybelline Hyper Glossy eyeliner. Now, every time I do my makeup, I try and avoid using eyeliner. It is because I do not know how to apply it. Also because I think it doesn't suits me, and I like my eye makeup without eyeliner. Even if I need some, I take a brown shade from the eyeshadow palette and try to use it as an eyeliner. Yeah, that's what I do. And for today, I'm just going to make a thin line. A very thin one because I don't want to mess it up. Same goes here, a very thin one. That's it. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm taking this Colorbar Zoom and whoosh mascara. applying it in my lower lashes as well. Now I'm taking the same eyeshadow palette, and with the help of a small brush, I'm going to fill my eyebrows. Taking this color. Now I'm going to apply some blush.
And I'll take my beauty blender and start blending. I'll apply a little bit in my nose as well.
Now I'm taking Anastasia Glow Kit. Now I'm taking this brush and going to apply highlighter on my cheekbones.
Also on my nose.
Time to apply red lipstick. I'm using Maybelline Matte Ink Red Lipstick, and the shade that I'm using is 20 Pioneer. Now I'll go and wear my formals